Everyone, today I'm showing you one of my balcony which is beside the kitchen, right beside the kitchen, so you can say it's a small balcony kitchen garden. And I have used recyclable thing, like whatever was waste in my home, I have used them to pot. So you can see this is in a oil container. As I've grown malabar spinach, poi saag with the reddish color of leaves, which you can see. Just yesterday trimmed some of the leaves and used in a sabzi. And here is one another pot which I have used in a puja, and I have used to grow this water spinach. People in Orissa make a lot of recipes, like they make a lot of things with this. I generally used to make vegetable roti with this leaves. Then there is a broken bucket which I have used to grow Brahmi leaves. So there is another kind of Ceylon spinach which is there, a small plant behind the Brahmi leaves. This is again an old bucket which was not in use right now. So I've used to grow in it balloon vine, and some manthakali plants have also grown in it. Manthakali, which is also nightshade leaves, it is used to make juices and in curries also. The green juice which is prepared is very good and alkaline for the body. This balloon wine also is known to have a lot of benefits. I use them in my idlis, and in the idlis it gives a very fluffy, makes a very fluffy idlis. Beside this, I have used an atta packet. This is an old atta packet which I was having, and in that I have grown mango ginger. Mango ginger, the roots of these plants are basically used. The roots look like ginger but taste like mango, raw mango, and it is put in the curry and it gives a very flavorful and tasty taste. This is one small Malabar spinach which has grown in a old container, which was basically sweet container. Here I was growing some saplings, so this sapling I will repot in another big pot. There one lemon tree you can see is there, and here in this pot, which is basically a plastic pot, I have used a plastic. And in plastic there is a plastic bottle also. In the plastic bottle you can see a lemon plant has grown, and in this plastic there are a lot of plants which have grown. This is our marigold plant. Some marigold plant is there. One brinjal plant is there. You can see a brinjal popping out also. And there is a mango ginger plant in this small plastic pot. And beside this there is ajwain patte. This ajwain patte is you can make chutneys. People make a lot of pakoras. You can make rotis out of it, and you can think other creative ways also to make dishes of this. There is again another small marigold plant which is hanging outside the garden. This is something which people generally use in their curries, especially in South India, the curry leaf plant. And this behind the curry leaf plant again there is a small box. This is an old box, sweet box container which I had, and in the sweet container this small mango ginger plant have grown. Here also you can see a plastic glass which was recyclable, and I have grown some small mango ginger plant. And in this big pot, because of the space constraint, I have kept this glass over this big plant. So there's a moringa plant growing. Basically moringa is not a plant but a tree, but I have kept here it is this plant because of its leaves. And in the same pot you can see one vine is there. This is a bitter gourd or Karela, and you can see one bitter gourd has already ripened over here, and uh, the seeds have already fallen, and I'll get many more small plant I think from this. Again, this is an old paint container which I was having, and in this paint container the gift packing paper I have just put so that this pot also looks colorful, and in that I have grown a small lemon plant, and a lemon plant is there, and beside that in one pot there are multiple plants growing. One is the manthakali leaves, there's a cholai. So this cholai has came on its own, like you can like sometime what happens, the older plants, the seeds falls and they grow. Amaranthus, which is this is also called, and this is one decorational plant which has grown. So this is my small balcony, and generally most of this I use in my food cooking. And yeah, try to use recycle things which are generally not used and are throwable.